Welcome to EDGAR, AlphaLens's real-time feed for tracking corporate SEC filings across your active symbol universe. EDGAR keeps you informed by surfacing 8Ks, 10Ks, and other regulatory disclosures so you can act on market-moving events as they happen. To start, select a universe from the Universe dropdown to narrow in on a focused set of filings relevant to your workflow. Scanners and search filters can be layered on top to further narrow the symbol set based on fast-moving market criteria. For deeper focus, the symbol picker filters the feed down to a single ticker, bypassing universe and scanner filters entirely to surface only that symbol's filing history. The filing type filter makes it easy to hone in on what matters. Defaulting to 8K, it can be adjusted to display 10Ks, 10Qs, and other regulatory filing types. With 8K selected, filing tags provide an additional layer of precision, narrowing results to specific event categories within that filing type. Use Go to Date to navigate directly to filings from a specific date. Clicking a row displays an AI-generated summary of the filing itself, delivering instant insight without ever leaving the widget. By default, when a symbol exits your scanner or screener results, its rows disappear from the widget. Set a retention window, say 30 seconds, to keep those filings visible briefly before they fade out. You can also link EDGAR to other widgets using the channel selector. When widgets share the same channel as EDGAR, selecting a symbol will update all linked widgets with that symbol, keeping them in sync without any manual switching. With EDGAR, AlphaLens gives you a powerful and precise way to monitor the regulatory landscape, stay ahead of market-moving disclosures, and act on opportunities the moment they emerge.